welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mansi and wishing you all a very happy Diwali and a very happy festive season. I hope that you all are doing great. In this video, I wanted to do a Diwali get ready with me. This is actually a makeup look which I will wear on this Diwali, and I hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. It is very simple to recreate and I have used very minimalistic eyeshadows. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. First of all, I will be priming my face using the Indulgeo Rose Gold Essential. It has a real gold specks of glitter in it, and it is an oil which is very nice to apply, especially in this winter season. It gives such a nice glow to your skin, which is really apt for this makeup look, as you can see. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD foundation, and this is my go-to foundation. I'm in the shade 2.5. I will use about 2 pumps with this Ultime Beauty blender from again PAC Cosmetics, and I will be blending the foundation on my face very nicely. And you have to take time in blending your foundation, guys, if you want to avoid any cakiness. Now to highlight and conceal my face, I'm using the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, that is up my chin and my jawline, to give structure to my face. And then again I will be blending out the concealer with the damp beauty blender. And as you can see, now my face has got a 3D dimension and it is not looking flat, and you have to always look up while you're blending your under eye concealer so that it doesn't settle into your fine lines. Now I'm using the leftover concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. For setting my whole face, I'm using Maybelline loose powder. First I'm blending out any creases so that I don't set up those creases, and then I'm just using the damp sponge to set my under eyes on almost all over my face. So this way I get a blank canvas for my makeup ahead, and this way my makeup is very long lasting, guys, and it doesn't move or budge throughout the day. And especially during Diwali, you want that your makeup should last throughout the day. Now I'm using the Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder with a large brush just to give a little bit coat of this on my face. This way my makeup becomes more long lasting, and this is a very smooth powder. For brows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown, guys, and I really love this pomade, and I have not used any other brow powder since I have started using this. This instantly gives my brows a more fuller look, and I'm using a thin angle brush to give my brows a fuller look. I'm using the NYX matte bronzer in the shade Light, and you can see that I'm just giving a color to my face. I'm not contouring and doing anything special over here. I will use the contouring shade, the bronzing shade on my jawline and on my forehead also. For blush, I'm using the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine. This is a very beautiful brownish blush, and this is perfect for deeper and medium skin tones. Now I'm using the translucent powder under my eyes and on my jawline so that in case there is any fallout I can catch it, and I will also clean up my contour or bronzer a little bit. For eyeshadows, I'm using the Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in the Rose in the Air, and I'm using that transition shade with a fluffy brush all over my lid. And you don't have to be perfect with this, guys, you just want a wash of color on your lids. This is very easy and anybody can achieve it. Just use windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm using those 2 shades with a PAC blending brush, and I'm just intensifying my crease and my outer corners, as you can see. This is very easy look, guys, anybody can achieve it very easily. Also, I'm running those 2 shades on my lower lash line with the same brush. I'm not using many brushes today. Now I'm dusting off the loose powder which we used earlier, and you can see how the makeup becomes so clean. I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm contouring my nose with this small thinner brush. Now the star of the show, the Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in Polaris Peach by Nicka. It is a very beautiful liquid glitter eyeshadow, and I'm using my ring finger to apply this on my lid, and you can see that such a pretty eyeshadow, very easy to use. For my liner, I'm using the NYX matte liquid liner. This is my favorite, and guys, this is my second tube. I highly recommend this one. It is really easy to create winged eyeliner with this eyeliner. Now I'm curling my lashes using my Miniso eyelash curler, and this is a rose gold variant. I really love it. For mascara, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess mascara, and I'm not using any false lashes today. Giving few coats of this mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and my eyes are done. For lips today, I'm using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer Crayon in the shade Magnetic 02. This is a very new product, and I really love this product, guys. This is a very long lasting product. It is very matte and it sets into my place, and this lipstick is very long lasting, guys, and I love this shade. I want to get new shades of this lipstick. I really love it. Now for setting my whole face, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. It will remove all the powderiness since we used all the powders. And for highlighter, I'm using the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. I really love it again. And I'm using this highlighter using a fluffy brush on the high points of my face, like the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, on my brow bone. And that's it, guys. It creates a very nice highlighted look on my face, very apt for Diwali. To complete the look, I added a binti matching to my outfit, some chumkis and some bangles, and I really love how this look turned out, guys. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. I like creating simple looks as well as complex looks, just whatever comes into my mind. If you want to see such more videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys. You can also follow me on my social media. Everything will be listed in the description box below, and all the details will be in the description box as well. So guys, I will see you next time in my next video. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy, be safe, and have a nice Diwali. Bye bye.